Hello, hello, hello. We are still talking about indices. I hope you can hear me. Yeah, I hope you can hear me. If you can hear me, you can type 1 in the comments. If you can hear me, type 1 in the comments. Oh, so good to have all of you here. Yeah, say hi in the live chat. So good to have you all here. So, this is the third lesson we'll be having on indices. Yeah, the third lesson. So we have looked at the laws of indices. We have also solved some problems that would require us to apply the laws of indices. So this is a continuation from where we stopped the last time. Look at this, without using mathematical tables or calculator. So let's look at this example. Evaluate 2 raised to the power 5 times 4 raised to the power negative 2, or divided by 2 raised to the power negative 3 times 2 raised to the power 6. How many of you were here in the last lesson? How many of you were here in the last lesson? Yes, Sega, welcome. How many of you were here in the last lesson? How many of you? And type 1 in the comments. Okay, I'd like to know if you were here in the last lesson. Anybody? Anyways, it's fine. I'm going to assume that you already know the laws of indices because we have done this before. And again, if you want to learn more about the laws of indices, no problems. The videos are still on the replay, they are still on my YouTube channel. So after this lesson, make sure you go back. We've done 2 videos, 1 hour long each. Go there and watch the laws of indices, and then you'll be able to come up to speed with what we're doing now. So if you want to evaluate this, see, this is 2, this is 4, this is 2, this is 2. So what we can do is to express 4 as a power of 2. So let's express 4 as a power of 2. Are you ready? Let's do this. So solution, this is going to be 2 raised to the power 5 times this 4 can be expressed or rewritten as 2 raised to the power 2 because 2 raised to the power 2 is what? 4. But we have negative 2 as the exponent. So maintain it right here. See that? Then all divided by 2. See, we talked about the multiplication law of indices. When you have the same base, you add the exponent if you are multiplying. So this is going to be 2 raised to the power of negative 3 plus, remember you're multiplying, plus what? This exponent 6. You see that? So it's going to be very easy. Now let's come here and rewrite this as 2 raised to the power 5. Same base, we add the exponent. Mind you, 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. So that's going to be plus negative 4. It's from here. All divided by, see, I'm going to do this. Let's do this. This is divided. So divided by what? 2 raised to the power. What is minus 3 plus 6? That's 3. So 3 here. See that? So this is going to be equal to 2 raised to the power. 5 plus negative 1 is same 5 minus 4. Sorry, negative 4, not negative 1. 5 minus 4 is what? 1. So 1 divided by 2 raised to the power what? 3. The division law of indices is what we're going to use right here. So this is going to be equal to 2 raised to the power 1. If you are dividing, same base, you subtract the exponent. Right? So this is equal to what? 2 raised to the power. What is 1 minus 3? That's minus 2. We can stop here, or we can now bring in the negative index law. The negative index law. So see, we have a negative sign here. This can be rewritten as what? 1, you take the reciprocal of this number, so 2 raised to the power 2. This becomes the answer. You can say 1 over 4 if you want to do that. So that will be your answer, okay? Yes, yes, yes. Please, let's like the live. Thank you for those who have liked it already. Let's like the live. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, you were absent. Sega was absent. Okay. Murphy, yeah, good to see you. Good to see you. It seems Murphy was in the last lesson. Since you are here. Good to have all of you here. Please, let's like the live. Let us like the live. Let's support the live so other people can join us. Okay. Thank you for participating and for being here. So if you understood this, type 1 in the comments, so I'll get your feedback and we'll move on to the next problem. Yeah, we're here to solve problems. If you understood this, please type 1 in the comment. I'd like to know. Indices and sorts are in algebra. Is it an ongoing course? Yes, this is what we're currently doing. Yes, we're currently treating this topic. Yes, we are. And if you need more lessons, you need more tailored lessons, maybe you want one-on-one lessons or you want group lessons, you can always reach out to me. The link is on my bio. If you want, but it's a paid class, all right? Well, you can always reach out to me on my bio. But this is free for all. But if you want something more special, more tailored to your needs, the link is on my bio. So let's move on. Okay, good to have all of you here. Please, let's like the live. Just 2 people still. Okay, three likes. Let's get more. Let's get more. Smash your like button. Smash your like button. Okay, your like button. All right, good to have you all here. We have 50 people here. That's so good. That's so good. That's so good. So we have another example. Maybe you might have to try this yourself. All right, this one says number 2, simplified 25 raised to the power of 2/3 divided by 25 raised by 1/6 all over 1/5 raised to the power of -7/6, and then times. Wow, this is quite something. Yeah, see what we have. See what we have. See what we have. Okay, are we ready? So I'm going to do this one. Don't worry. I have some questions for you to try after this. All right. I have some questions for you to try after this. So let's begin. Just like I did for the first one. See, we can make all of them appear or have a common base of 5. 25 is 5 raised to the power of 2. The same thing here. This is 1/5. We know what to do when we get there. I'll show you. So let's start with 25. I can rewrite 25 as 5 raised to the power of 2. So let's do that. So 5 raised to the power of 2. Of course, we still have this as 2/3. Then divided by, same thing here, 5 raised to the power of 2. 1/6. Is that okay? All divided by what? What about this? 1/5 can be written as 5 raised to the power of -1. Let me say it again. 1/5 is equal to 5 raised to the power of -1. Because this is a negative sign that is with the exponent, you can take the reciprocal of what? 5, giving you 1/5. So I'm going to rewrite 1/5 as 5 raised to the power of -1. Yes, we can do that. We can do that. So let's quickly do that right here. Now it's going to be 5 raised to the power of -1. This is from 1/5. But times what? -7/6. See that? Now we'll do the same thing here. This is 5 raised to the power of what? -1. And then what? 1/6. Okay, so let's see what we can do with all of these numbers before we even move on. See, 2, we divide 6, you have 3 here. See that? And again, okay, I think that's the only thing we can do for now. So let's just move on here. So this is going to be what? 2 times 2. You know, this 2 can be written as 2/1. So 2 times 2 is 4. That's 5 raised to the power of what? 4/3. You see that? Then divided by what? 5 raised to the power of what? What about this now? 1/3. All right. Then all over. Let's do it. -1 times -7/6 is what? 7/6. Because minus times minus is plus. So times, what about this one? What about this? What about this? So it's going to be 5 raised to the power of what? -1/6. Because -1 times 1/6 is -1/6. I hope this makes sense. I want to boost my general problem solving. Okay. What areas of math should I focus? Yeah. Okay. You algebra, knowing numbers very well, and geometry. So these are the core mathematical areas that you want to focus on. Yeah. Okay. So we want to continue with this. This is going to be, we are dividing. They have the same base, 5 and 5. What do? We subtract the exponent. So this is going to be 5 raised to the power of what? 4 over 3 minus, because we are divided, you subtract the exponent, minus what? 1 over 3. And permit me to do this. See, this is division. See, this one. Right? So I'm going to write it like this. Divided by what? The one under. So 5 raised to the power of what? But let's add this 2 because of the times here. So 7 over 6 plus what? Minus 1 over 6. And plus minus is minus. So I can just remove this and write minus 1 over 6. So you see what we have? This is already getting simplified. All right. So I think we can just take it a step further. Let's write it like this now. This is equal to 5. See, they have the same denominator. So just maintain that and subtract the exponent. 4 minus 1 is what? 3. Are you with me? So this is divided by what? Let's do the same thing here. 5. They have the same denominator of 6. You do 7 minus 1. That's what? 6. Oh, this is already getting interesting. Hope you can still see what I'm writing. Yeah, you can. So watch this now. This is going to be equal to, maybe I should continue it up here. Let me just finish it up here. Sorry, excuse me. Permit me. So it's going to be what? 5. 3 over 3 is what? 1. You can write 1 if you want. Divided by 6 over 6 is what? 1 as well. So using the law of indices, we are dividing, subtract the exponent, 1 minus 1. And that's what? 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. So your final answer is just what? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. There you go. All right. I hope this is clear. I hope you understood everything I did. Do you come live every day at this time? I'm following all. Yeah, not every day, but I'll try to see what I can do to be more frequent. But if you want to be aware when I come live, join my Telegram and my WhatsApp community. The link is on my bio. Just go there, click on the link. It will redirect you to my WhatsApp channel, my WhatsApp group, and my Telegram channel. So I always drop the link there anytime I'm coming live. So you want to be there. I hope you understand what I've done. Any question, please ask. If you got questions, ask. And please, let's like the live. Siva Ballard, thank you for coming. Oh, Ejong Mante, thank you very much for the feedback. And please, let's like the live. I hope we can move on now. So I have maybe one or two questions for you to try. Please don't run away. My eyes are on you. My eyes are on you. Don't run away. Stay here. I have some questions for you to try because you know it's good for you to try. If you don't have a pen, go and get a pen. I'm giving you some questions. You don't have a pen, go and get a pen. Don't run away. Don't run away. So here's your exercise. Don't worry, I'm still going to do these questions, but I want you to go first. So here we are. Evaluate 3 raised to the power 4 times 27 raised by negative 3, or divided by 4 raised to the power of, sorry, this is not 4. Is 3 raised by negative 4. So this is even easier than what I did. Okay, I think I may want to add one. Maybe we can do one more later, but for now, can you try this? Everybody do this. If you got a question, ask me. Everybody do the divide problem, teacher. Divide problem. What do you mean by divide problem? I'm trying to understand what that means. Anyways, I got your comment. Divide problem, teacher. If you want to join my group class, you are free to do so. If you want to join my free class, this is the free class, my paid class, you are free to do so. The link is in my bio. We are currently in the 2nd month, and it's going to run for 6 months, from November up to April next year. For 6 months. I'm going to prepare you for your final exams. For those who are in high school, you are going to have so much that will prepare you for your exam. So if you want to be there, make sure you check the link on my bio and you'll be redirected to the link to the platform where you can make payment, or you can just hit me up on WhatsApp. I will let you know. I will give you all the guidance you need to make payment and get sign up in the program. What's today's topic? See, indices. Indices. That's what we're talking today. Did you know? Yeah, I can. Yeah. With it, yes. So how far? I'm waiting for your answer. Please don't don't let us get carried away. I'm waiting for your answer. Yes. Anybody? Anybody? Love your hair, sir. You love my hair? Oh, thank you. Sikek King. Sikek King, thank you. I'm touched. 3 raised to 8. Fortified wall. 3 raised to 8. So let me just have it pinned here. 3 raised to power of 8. Okay. Other people. Who else? Who else? Who else? Who else? Who else? Who else? Okay. So I think I've given you enough time. This shouldn't take too long, but I'm going to do it right now. Are you ready? Are you ready for me? With 3 raised to 8. Only one person, fortified wall. Only one person. So let's do this together. 3 raised to the power of 8. So solution. Now, this 27 can be expressed as a power of 3. So it's going to be 3 raised to the power of 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So 3 raised to the power of 3. But we have an already existing exponent of negative 3. So it's going to multiply this other 3 here, right? So all divided by what? 3 raised to the power of negative 4. Now back to our multiplication law of indices. We are multiplying. What do we do to the exponent? We add. Good. So it's going to be 3 raised to the power of 4 plus, what is 3 times minus 3? That's what? Minus 9. See that? Divided by what? 3 raised to the power of what? Negative 4. In case you don't know, this is division. I hope you know. This dash. It is division. Oh, I forgot how it's going to work. But you are here. Thank you. Fortified word. You are now here. All right, so this is going to be 3 raised to the power of 4 plus minus is minus, right? So 4 minus 9 is what? Minus 5. So this is going to be minus 5 divided by what? What about this? 3 raised to the power of negative 4. We now want to use the division law of indices. So we are dividing. What do we do, people? We are going to subtract their exponent. So that will be 3 raised to the power of negative 5 minus then minus 4. Are you with me? It seems what that person, what for fortified word told us, it seems there's an issue with that answer. Okay. So this 3 raised to the power of what? Negative 5. Minus times minus is what? Plus. So that's plus 4. And then finally, let me just finish it here. Finally, you have what? 3 raised to the power of what? Minus 5 plus 4 is what? Minus 1. Are you seeing that? And your answer is just what? This is a negative exponent. So this negative will take the reciprocal of the number. That will be what? 1 over 3 raised to the power of 1, or just 1 over 3. I hope this is clear. So that's the answer. Okay. Yeah, 1 over 3. Sikh King. Yes, 1 over 3. Oh, yeah, that's right. Vina Prakaka. I hope I got that right. But I don't think I did. From which grade is this lesson about? Okay, this is grade 10, grade 11, based on, depending on the country where you're watching me from, but it's around grade 10, grade 11. Right. So I train people who are in grade 12, grade 11 and grade 12, who are preparing for their final high school exam. If you want that structured lesson where I talk about all the topics, prepare you adequately for your final exam, please hit the link on my bio. You'll be redirected to where you make payment and get signed up to the very interesting class that will prepare you for your exam without tears, without stress, without troubles. Can you teach me derivatives? That's under calculus. Of course, I do that, but you would have to wait till I'm done with this topic. Okay? So I think we're done with this. Let me give you one more question to try. Don't run away. Don't run away. Stay here and learn. and not just watch me teach, but also try it out yourself. Okay. So one more for you to try. This is number 2. Where are we? Where are we? Okay, I think I want to give you this one. It looks slightly different from what we've done so far. Now we have plus there. So you have to be careful with that. Okay, I'm going to wait for maybe 1 minute or so. So which means you have to be fast. Okay. I would have waited a little longer, but because this is a YouTube live class, if I wait too long, some people will not even have the patience to wait. They will just run away. Please, let's like the live. We just have 16 likes here, and we are 40. Nothing you are, right? Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the feedback. Thank you very much for the feedback. Okay, so everybody, put your pen to paper and let's work this problem. Somebody already gave me the answer. Okay, looks good. 16 power 4 minus 1 over 4. Okay, can you also simplify that, CK King? You said 16 power 4 minus 1 over 4. Can you simplify this a little further? Can you simplify that a little further? Say 76. Ankit Kumar. Do we need to find the LCM? Somebody said LCM. Not really. I don't think you need to find LCM here. I don't think you need to do that. I'm trying to imagine how you intend to simplify this, by the way. That's what I'm trying to think about, if there will be need for that. But I don't think you will need that, okay? I don't think. Somebody said the answer is 4 power 4. Somebody said 4. Camera is out of focus. Oh, so sorry. Don't worry. It's getting back to focus. So just give me a minute while I get something. I need you to do something. All right. I think we need to get this done. Yeah, let's get this done. Anybody who has got your answer? Anybody? Anybody? Okay, let's do this together. So first of all, see, for those of you who have been following this channel, who were here when I started this topic, I told you about this negative exponent. When you have a negative sign as part of the exponent, it's going to take the reciprocal of that number. So this negative here can be rewritten as 1 over 16 raised to the power of what? 1 over 4 here, like this. See that? Then plus, what about this one? See, I talked about fractional index, fractional exponent. See, this is a fraction, it's an exponent. So the numerator is the power. Let me just, for those of you who are just coming here, the numerator is the power. The denominator is what? Is the root. In case you want more lessons on this, it's still on my YouTube channel. Just go to my live section. You will get the 2 lessons we've had so far on indices. Very, very insightful, very helpful. Okay, so this is going to be what? The cube root. See, this 3 is the cube root of what? 27, all the way to the power of what? 2. That's this power here, 2. You see that? That's it. So all divided by what? This one will do the same thing here, all right, like we did here. It's going to be 1 over, this is the root again, denominator root, this is the power, right? You see? Interesting. So it's going to be what? The square root of what? 4. Yeah. All raised to the power of what? 3. Because of the numerator that is 3 here. And that's it. So see what we have now. With this, now we can easily simplify. Let's keep going. So who can tell me what this 1 over 4 is like saying the 4th root? Because the denominator of the exponent is the root. All right? So this is going to be what? 1 over the 4th root of 16. Because of this 4 here. Then plus, what about this one? What about this? This is the cube root of 27. What is the cube root of 27? 3. Because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So this is going to be 3 raised to the power of what? 2. Yeah, it's getting more simplified. And this is 1 over. What is the cube root of 4? It's 2. So that's 2 raised to the power of what? 3. All right. So let's just take it one more step below again. This 1 over. What is the 4th root of 16? A number that will multiply itself 4 times to give you 16. What is that number? It is 2. So that's 1 over 2 plus 9. 3 raised to the power 2 is 9. All divided by what? 1 over 2 raised to the power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, which is what? 8. So I think I'm going to, let me just clean the one on top because I really don't have enough space. And I think I should even remove this so I have enough space on top. Yeah. So we're almost done. Okay. Now let's keep going. So this is going to be, see, what I have here, 9 plus half is 9.5. That's 9.5. Divide, this is divided. So divided by what? 1 over 8. Are you with me? So I can just convert this to an improper fraction. 9 times 2 is 18 plus 1 is what? 19. So that's 19 over 2. If you change division to multiplication, you have to turn this upside down. You have to take the reciprocal of 1 over 8, giving you what? 8 over 1. Are you with me? Of course you are. So 2 goes into 8, you have 4. That gives you 19 times 4. So what is 19 times 4? That's what? 76. So your answer is what? 76. I hope this is clear. Anybody got it? Oh yes, I see answers. I see answers. Raja Peram. Yeah. Sega, yeah, you got it right too. Yeah, and a host of others. Yeah, Ranuda Billionaire. Okay. You will send me some of your money. You that's a billionaire. Answer is 76. Yes, that's correct. We got 76. Camera is okay. So thank you all for your feedback for, oh yeah, good life. Wow, you have such interesting names here. So that's the answer. 76 is the answer. Okay. 76 is the answer. I hope this is clear. I hope you're getting value from this. So we are through with, if you notice, all what we've been doing so far have been having just numbers. Now we want to bring some algebraic terms, X, Y, P, N, and all those things into the problems. Okay. So we want to look at indices involving algebra. Let me just say it like that. All right. So indices in algebraic terms. Indices in algebraic terms. And algebraic powers. Very good. So let's start. Number 1, simplify the cube root of, this is the cube root of what? Of 27a raised to the power of -6. This is interesting. Okay, let me wait for some of you to look at it critically and give me the answer. Anybody? I'm going to wait for 30 seconds. If you know the answer, kindly let me know in the chat, in the comment. Police are forcing me to sleep. It's sleeping time now. Sorry. Oh, okay. It's fine. Thank you for coming, by the way. And in case you want to watch the replay, it will always be on my YouTube channel. So even if you cannot finish it, but anyways, I like that the fact that you're able to show up for this live class. I am 3 times trying, but answer is 74. This 74, is it the former one or this one? But I don't think it's the former one. Can you give me some more time to solve this? Yes, I'm going to wait for you, Ranuda Billionaire. Yeah. Sega said the answer is 3 over a squared. 3 over a squared. I think that might be right. I'm not sure. Somebody, Cyber Love Freaks call said the answer is 3 over a squared. Okay. Okay. Now, for those of you that just come in here, this is the third lesson we are having on indices. If you want to watch the replay of the last 2 lessons, they are still on my YouTube channel. Go there before I remove them. Anyways, I'm just joking. But I might not be joking. So quickly go there and watch those videos, all right? They are still on my YouTube channel. To the live playlist, the live section of my YouTube channel, you see the 2 videos on indices. They are the most recent videos. This is the 3rd video in a series of indices. And again, if you are struggling with circle theorems, I've done up to like 9 videos on circle theorems. And for trigonometry, I've also had up to 10 or 11 videos there, but I didn't finish it. But I intend to go back. I just wanted to look at this topic, indices. And if you want to join my one-on-one, if you are interested in me coaching you, preparing for your final exam, maybe any exam you're preparing for, whether O-level, advanced level, I am your go-to person. Okay, you can always hit me up on WhatsApp. The link is on my bio. Go there and click on the link. You will be redirected to me. One say 1 over a squared. Okay, let's just keep going. We don't have time anymore. So see what I have here. Like I told, okay, see, this can be written as what? The cube root. I can distribute this root to 27 and to a raised to the power negative 6. So what this is going to be the cube root of 27 times, I'm using dot for times, the what? Cube root of what? A raised to the power negative 6. Are you with me? So what is the cube root of 27? That's 3. So this is going to be what? 3 then times. Do you know that I can rewrite this like this? A raised to the power negative 6 divided by, or let me just say, times 1 over 3. This 1 over 3 is the cube root. If you have x raised by 1 over 3, this can be written like this, the cube root of x. So because I have the cube root here, I now used 1 over 3 to multiply the exponents. So 1 over 3 is coming from the cube root. It's one of the laws of indices. We have done this before, okay? So that's what I have. Are you with me? So this is going to be what? 3 divides 2, you have, 3 into 6 is 2. And you have 3a raised by what? Negative 2. And this negative sign will take the reciprocal of what? A squared. So you can write this as what? 3 times 1 over a squared, which can finally become 3 over a squared. So this right here is your answer. For those of you that got this, kudos. For those of you who tried but didn't get this, now you know it. Of course, in the next one, you will do better. Thank you. Let's move on. Yeah, Ranuda Billionaire. Yeah, you got the answer. It's 3 over a squared. Good to have all of you here. Please take a screenshot if you're doing so. I need to move on. If you want me to move on to the next one, type 1 in the comment. Let's like the live. People, what's going on here? Let's like the live. Let's take it to 30. Let's take the like to 30. Sega, thank you. Let's take the like to 30. Take it to 30. Take it to 30. 30, 30, 30. I'm waiting on you. I'm waiting on you. I'm counting on you. Take the likes to 30. Okay, so let's move on. Let me take this off. Okay, I was wondering. So we have another one. Number 2. Maybe I should just write them. Number 2. Wow, this is interesting. Simplify. This is still similar with what we just did, but let me just still write it. The cube root of 27x raised by 3. Can everybody try this one? Everybody try this one now. This should be easier. So this one is the cube root of 8 squared times 4 raised by n plus 1, all divided by 2 raised by 2n times 16. Yeah. Number 2. Anybody with the answer? If I say, see, let me just say this. You can even say the answer of this one. You can even do it mentally without writing anything down. Do you know that? Do you know that? Okay, Vina Prabhakar said 3xy cubed. 3xy cubed. I think that's okay. Ganyu Legushi, thank you. Hi to you too. Sega said 3x cubed. Okay. Rage said 3x cubed. Okay, that's good. Joan Bona PhD said 3. Are you sure it's 3? What about the x and y? You threw them away? Please don't do that. Don't do that, Joan. All right, good. So I think for those of you that said the answer is 3xy cubed, you're right. So see, like I told you before, you can, this is solution by the way, you can just split the cube root to 27x cubed and y raised to the power of 9. So watch this. It's going to be the cube root of 27 times, I don't want to use this for time because of this x. I don't want that confusion. So I'll just going to write dot. Then the cube root of what? X cubed. And then the cube root of what? Y raised to the power 9. So see, this x cubed will cancel the cube. The cube root of 27 is 3. And you have times x. What about this one? The cube root of y raised to the power 9 can be written like this: y 9 over 3. I already explained this before. For those of you who have been here, you know what I did there. So 3x y raised to the power 3 into 9 is 3. So see your answer, 3x y cubed. Now to number 3. This is quite an interesting one. This is times, it's not x, please, it's times. This is times, not x. Times. Please take note of that. Answer third to Blessing Abiazi. Okay, yeah, good job. Joan Bona, yeah, that's correct. 3xy cubed. Answer of third to. I'm trying to understand what you mean by that, by the way. So can we try? I think I might have to do it because this is slightly different from number 1 and number 2. You don't get scared. See, you see this square root, you know what it means already. It means multiply the exponent by 1 over 2. So if you have the square root of 9, right, this can be written as what? 9 raised to the power of what? 1 over 2. One of the laws of indices. All right. So basically what I need to do to distribute this square root to every single value inside is going to be like this. Watch this, everybody. Watch this. It's going to be 8 raised to the power 2 times 1 over 2. Where is it coming from? The square root. Are you with me? Then times 4 raised to the power of what? N over n plus 1 over 2. Where is it coming from? The square root. Right? So the square root means divide the exponent by 2. If you have the square root of 3, let's say 3 raised to the power 2 square root. This is what? 3 raised to the power 2 over 2. Divide the exponent by 2. If it is cube root, divide the exponent by what? By 3. Take note of that. So let's come here. All over what? This is 2 raised to the power 2n divided by what? By 2. Because of this big radical being applied to everything, right? So times what? the square root of what? 16. Are you with me? So watch the magic. Yeah, it's very easy, sir. Yeah, okay, thank you. So 2 cancels 2. You see that? See, this 2 cancels this 2. It's making sense already. So that will be what? 8. Because there's nothing here. 8 raised by 1 or just 8, right? Times, what about this? 4 raised by what? N plus 1 over 2. All divided by what? This is 2 raised by n times what? The cube root of 16 is what? Is 4. The cube root of 16 is 4. And watch this, people. People, watch this. See, 4, we divide 8. You have 2 here. See that? Yeah. So we've already removed that. Let's see what we can do further. So it's going to be 2 times. I want to rewrite 4 as 2 to the power of 2. So that will be 2 to the power of 2, bracket what? N plus 1 over 2, all divided by what? 2 raised by n. Are you with me? So please watch this now. See. These 2 will cancel these 2. Interesting, right? So let me clean. Hope you can see what I did there. Let me clean what I have up here and then complete it. Sorry, I don't need to clean that. So see what I have. This is equal to what? 2 times 2 raised by what? N plus 1, all divided by 2 raised by n. Yes, it's getting cool. And this is now what? 2 times. See what I want to do here. This can be written like this. Times 2 raised by 1. This 2 raised by n plus 1 is also equal to 2 raised by n times 2 raised by 2. Sorry, times 2 raised by 1. Because when you apply the law of indices and you add the exponent n plus 1, you will get this back. So that's what I did to this one. I had to rewrite it like this. Over what? 2 raised by n. All right, I can already see a beautiful, beautiful solution. Now watch this, everybody. See, this cancels this. And I have my sweet answer. 2 times 2 is what? 4. And there you go, people. That is your answer. All right? That is your answer. Just 4. I know this has multiple steps and levels, but if you understood everything I did, even though I've erased the question, permit me, I will get a bigger board that will accommodate everything. Please say yes. Type 1 in the comments if this one I just did now is clear. And if you feel I made a mistake, please let me know in the comments. If you feel I made a mistake, let me know in the comments. From India, oh, thank you. Ganuel Gushi, oh, thank you. Oh, wonderful. Great to have all of you here. Okay, so I might be live. Don't tell anybody. I'm just joking. Please tell everybody. I might be live tonight by 9 p.m. Nigerian time. Yeah, I'll try. 9 p.m. West African time. I don't even say tonight because your tonight might not be my own tonight. I don't know where you're watching from. Yeah. So I think we're good. Now, you know what's going to happen? I'm going to write a question for you to try, and that will be the end of today's lesson. Not today's, this lesson. I will have another one, likely later. I think this is number 4. Simplify. Or what I want to do, let me just clean this and write it up here. So here we go, people. Number 4, it says simplify 3. I hope enough space here. 3x raised by negative 2 times 9 raised by x plus 1 times 27 raised by negative x, all divided by 81 raised by what? 5x minus 3. Very, very interesting problem for every one of us to try. Okay, everybody, do this, do this, do this, do this. So here's a clue, here's a tip. Convert all of them, express them as a base of 3. So 9 will be 3 raised by 2. Of course, that 2 will multiply x plus 1. 27 will be what? 3 raised by 3. That exponent of 3 will multiply negative x. And 81 will be 3 raised by 4, right? And that 4 will multiply 5x minus 3. Is that okay? So I think I've given you a very helpful clue that you can use and get the problem done. Let me have some water. Somebody got 1 as the answer. So quick. Sega, really? That's great. It's a date, okay? From India, Amit Saroha. You're welcome. Good to have you here. Please, let's get the likes to at least 40. If you are here and you've not liked the live, what have I done to deserve this? What have I done to you? Answer me. What have I done to you? Please, let's like the live. I'm just joking. You have done nothing to me. Just like the live. Okay. No, that's not my answer. Okay. I thought it was your answer. Okay. Where are you from? Yes, I'm from Nigeria, West Africa. I'm from Nigeria, okay? From Nigeria. So I want to press 1 to confirm. Let's move on. Okay, we'll only move on. Thank you. At least, so let's just quickly do this before I run away. Not run away, before I end the lesson. See this. Like I told you, leave it like that. 3 raised by x minus 2. This 9 can be expressed as 3 raised to the power of 2. So that's what I'm going to write here. Then bracket x plus 1. See that? It's interesting. Then what about this one? 3 raised to the power 3. Because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So minus x. You multiply the both exponents. So all divided by 81 is what? 3 raised to the power 4. Then put this. You are multiplying 4 by what? 5x minus 3. Okay, let's simplify the exponent first before we go to the next level. So this is x minus 2 times 3. 2 times, you use the 2 to multiply everything you have in the bracket. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 1 is what? 2. What about this? 3 times negative x is negative 3x. Are you with me? So all divided by what? What about this one? 3 raised to the power. 4 times 5x is 20x. And 4 times negative 3 is what? Negative 12. It's getting interesting, people. So this is equal to what? You know we are dividing here. Or before that, see. Here we have times, I'm going to add their exponent. One of the laws of indices. Some of you are already familiar with this. So that's 3 raised to the power of x minus 2 plus 2x plus 2 plus negative 3x. Maybe I should just separate this so you know where they're coming from. Negative 3x is from here. 2x plus 2, see it here. And then x minus 2, see it here. Is that okay? Then I can write divided. Where is that one coming from? It's coming from here. So divided, all right? By what? By 3 raised to the power of 20x minus 12. Are you with me, people? So this is equal to 3. I want us to simplify, collect like terms. So that will be x plus 2x. Anyways, this sign is not going to change. Then what? Minus 3x, because it's plus. If it's minus not, then you're going to have lots of changes. Minus 2 plus 2. I think that's all. Minus 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Divided by our 20x minus 12. So let's simplify what we have here. X plus 2x is 3x. 3x minus 3x is 0. So we have 0 Minus 2 plus 2 is what? 0. Wow, what's going on here? All our hard work is just changing to 0. What's happening? So what about this one? 20x minus 12, right? We are dividing here. 0 plus 0 is 0. So I'm just going to write 0 here. So we are dividing. What do we do to the exponent? What do we do to the exponent? We subtract their exponent. I hope everything is in order. Can you teach about trigonometry? Yes, we have. I've done a topic on that, though I didn't finish it. I'm going to complete it as well, but I just want this to run side by side with trigonometry. So let's keep going. This is equal to 3 raised to power 0 minus. Please enclose this in a bracket, otherwise you get a wrong answer because you are subtracting 20x minus 12 from 0, so you have this. Okay, I don't know if I can manage this space. Let me see. I don't want to erase this anymore. So you have 3. 0 minus 20x is minus 20x, and minus 0 minus 12 is what? Plus 12. So we can rewrite this like this: 3 raised to power 12 minus 20x. I think we can just end it right there and call that the answer. Yes, I think that's the answer to that. Anybody with a different answer? But I think that's the correct answer. Yeah. Okay. Can you tell me what exams usually students in Nigeria prepare for after? Like for you? Oh, I want to know the demand for tutoring there. Yeah, so there is something called UME or JAM. It's actually JAM, Joint Admission Matriculation Board, but they have this exam, UME, University Matriculation Examination. So that's what they prepare for after it's an entrance exam to Nigerian universities. Is that okay? But they have high school final exams like WASC, WASSCE, West Africa Senior School Certificate Examination, and also NECO. All right, those are the final exams they prepare for. They write when they get out of high school. I hope that's okay. So that's what they do in Nigeria. But for you to gain admission into the university, you write the Joint Admission Matriculation Board exam, UME. I hope that was helpful. Okay, so it's good to have all of you here. Thank you for your support and following through. How many of you got this answer? How many of you got this? Anybody? Nobody has said I got this. Thanks, man. Keep up the good work. Thank you. Anybody got this? Anybody? So I'm going to be ending the lesson right here, and I will try to be live again today by 9 p.m. West Africa time. But if you want to be duly informed when I come live, it's good you join my community on WhatsApp, on Telegram. Yeah, on WhatsApp I have WhatsApp channel. I also have a WhatsApp group, and for Telegram channel, that one is also there. Feel free to join any of these groups, and the link is in my bio. And again, I have a paid class for those preparing for final exam, for those in high school, those who want to get from primary school to secondary school, and those who want to get from junior school to senior school. I have classes for those people preparing for such exams. If you are interested, the link is in my bio. You can send me a message on WhatsApp if you want more information about these paid classes that I also run. And if you also want one-on-one classes, you can also send me a message on WhatsApp. I'm very active on WhatsApp. Or you can send me a message on Instagram. Gpad Learn Math still is his Instagram handle. Just go there and search me out. Or I think the best way is for you to send me a message on WhatsApp. I will respond to you ASAP. So see you all later today. I hope I'm not going to make a promise, but I'll try to be live today again. But if you want to be duly informed, join my community. All right, people, see you. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please share this video to your friends. Share this video with your friends and family. Let them be aware. Tell them about Gpad Learn Math. See it here. See it? Gpad learn math, or you see it. Okay. All right. I will see you all in the next lesson. Stay sharp, stay square. This is Gpad signing out.